physics, Newton's laws. P220, recall and apply Newton's third law of motion, the law of action-reaction. Now I also add it like this, F12 equals minus F21. That means the force one object acts on the other equals negative the force the other object acts on the first one, because there will be different directions. So for example, here, Newton's third law of motion, for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. For example, the engine is pushed forward because the exhaust flow, so the burned gases, are pushed backwards. That is your pair of forces. The gas is pushed backwards, which means the rocket is pushing forward. Books push on the desk pushes back on the books, with the same force but opposite direction. Now we can say it like this. Books are pulled down by the earth is pulled up by the books. Now you will say, okay, but I don't see the earth moving. You don't see the earth moving because the earth is very, 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 very large. So I will say it here, earth pulls books down equals books pull earth up. That's the pair of forces, action, reaction. If we move forward, two people on ice skates. Now the force, regardless of how powerful A or how strong B is, if you're on ice skates, that means you're on a frictionless surface. The force of A on B equals the force of B on A. So practically, they'll be moving away exactly the same way. So Newton's third law, practically, the force AB, force exerted by object A on object B, will be equal to minus force exerted by object B on object A. So the force that one object, for example, the blue arrow will be F12 because it's moving to the right, equals the negative of the red arrow F21 because this is moving to the left, and we're going to add the negative sign to it. The same thing here, Newton's third law. Well, action force or reaction force, it doesn't matter which one is which. Swimmer pushes the water in the backwards direction. That's the action force. So swimmer is pushing the water, and the water exerts a force on the swimmer. That is the reaction force. So first, the swimmer is pushing the water, and the water is pushing the swimmer back. That's the reaction force, and practically that is what makes the swimmer move forward. So this is Newton's third law, action, reaction. Every force has an opposite reactive force.